Kinda ratchet, but she classy. Ooh, behind the door, she super nasty. Thick bitch, loving when she throw that ass in.
Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. I don't know, I feel like the camera's crooked. But I'm about to get ready to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Amrezy palette today. I'm basically freestyling this, because y'all know I'm not the best with eyeshadow, but I do what I can, make it work with what I got. So, we're going to see how it goes. I know it's not a get ready with me. If I ain't got my, you know, and it's Valentine's Day, so why not? Like, I don't know why my voice sounds so deep. But I'm going to speed up the process of me doing my eyeshadow. But I can't show you my brows. They're not even, but in the camera they look perfect. But they're not, because this eyebrow always do whatever the fuck it wants, and this one always do exactly what the fuck I want it to do. And this one be like, fuck that shit, I'm doing my own thing. So yeah, it be like that sometimes. And I got this bump coming on my face. For now, only because I want to put my lashes on last, because my outfit, I don't know how I'm gonna put that bitch on, but I'm gonna do my lashes last. So the makeup look is not done, and I gotta put on my lip, and I don't want to put on my lip right now, only simply because I'm not leaving right now. But I'm finna go ahead and do my hair now. So I recorded a little bit of me doing my hair, doing that, and once I'm done doing that, I will get to outfit and stuff, and you guys will see like the final complete look with lashes on and everything. Because oh shit, you know, I'm high as shit right now. Like, there were no fucking jokes, there were facts. I don't know what the fuck going on, but I'm high as shit. I'm tripping. I don't know what the fuck. Anyway, I'm finna finish this a little bit. Right now I got on my outfit. As you can see, the final reveal will be soon when I upload a full video picture of me. But this is how the makeup turned out. Like, give me my props, like, for real. For somebody that doesn't know how to do shadow well, I did that shit. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. I low-key, could I leave my hair pinned up? Honestly, I might do that. Like, leave it pinned up. I'm gonna fluff it out. Get like a little Marilyn Monroe style. Like, that's cute as fuck. Like, I'm really thinking about leaving my hair like this. Like, why not? Like, bitch, bad bitch vibes. For real. I'ma just, hide these ends and push it out. And make sure it's tightened. So I'm gonna just do that because I wasn't gonna take it out the curl. But I was like, girl, that bitch vibes, like, for real. Like, you're not playing games. Sister's not playing no games. So I'm gonna leave my hair like this, just fix the ends up a little better, and I'll be back once I'm done with the complete look. Bye, baby. Outfit I have came from Pretty Little Thing. The shoes as well. I can't get a good foot picture right now, but I will get a good foot picture for y'all so y'all can see this whole outfit. Plus, I will be posting this look on all my social media. So if you're not following me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Facebook, please do so, because I be more active on Snapchat than anything, but I do be on Instagram a lot too. And these pictures will get posted on Insta, so, you know, double tap those for me. But right now, I'm out. Marilyn Monroe vibes, for real. I look for everything literally. I am back home. Hey guys, welcome back. What? Oh my god. Okay guys, I am back home. Y'all will post fly pictures. I like busting, like, bitch, I'm a bad bitch. This is giving me Marilyn Monroe vibes. Like, how could you not? Like, what? Cute as fuck, and this is period. Thick bitch vibe, even though I'm skinny petite. I feel like a thick, skinny petite today. Well, skinny, thick petite. So, yep, that's how I feel. But thank you guys for watching this video. Bye, my babies.
Attention, you get it, I'm focused, I'm fixated. Tell them get out our business and quit hate. Intellectual intercourse conversation. You can't believe what other people say about me, nothing been substantiated.